How to log in Fidelity Investment Account. Hello everyone, I am Vishaka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, go ahead and open your preferred browser and in the search bar, search for www.fidelity.com. You will be led to the official webpage of Fidelity, so go ahead and tap on the login option on top of your screen. You will then be led to the login portal of Fidelity, so go ahead and enter your username and further enter your password, and if you want the device to remember your username, then tap on the Remember My Username checkbox. Finally, tap on the login button, and with this you will be logged in to Fidelity Investment Account. And just in case, if you have forgotten your username or password, then you can tap on the Forgot Username or Password option and recover your password by following the on-screen prompts and logging in further. So, this is how you can log in to Fidelity Investment Account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do subscribe to our channel for more contents like this. Thank you for staying with us until the end.